Everybody sit erect. Keep your eyes closed. We will start with 3 rounds of Omkara. Inhale deeply. Inhale. Inhale. Starting prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahanau Bhunaktu Saha Viryam Karavavahai Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. योग गणपति मूल मंत्र. ओम हम संगम भगवते नित्ययोगयुक्ताय सच्चिदानंद रूपिणे विनायकाय नमः. श्री दक्षिणामूर्ति प्रार्थना. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेद विभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. स्वामी विवेकानंद प्रार्थना. नमः श्री यतिराजाय विवेकानंद सूरये सच्चित्सुखस्वरूपाय स्वामिने तापहारिणे स्वामिने तापहारिणे. सामरस्य प्रेयर फॉर हार्मनी फ्रॉम ऋग्वेदा. ओम संगच्छध्वं संवदध्वं संभो मनांसि जानतां देवा भागै यथा पूर्वे संजानाना उपासते समानो मंत्र समिति समानी समानं मनः सह चित्तमेषां समानं मंत्रमभिमन्त्रयेवः समानेन वो हविषा जुहोमि समानीव आकुतिः समाना हृदयानि वः समानमस्तु वो मनः यथा वस्तु सहासति. पंचांगम. अद्यत्न पंचांगम सप्तविंशत्यधिक-एकशतोत्तर पंचसहस्रतम कलियुगाब्दः श्री विश्वावसु नाम संवत्सरः उत्तरायणं ग्रीष्म ऋतुः ज्येष्ठमासः कृष्णपक्षः अष्टमी तिथिः उत्तराभाद्रा नक्षत्रं सौभाग्ययोगः कौलवकरणं बृहस्पतिवासरः. Today's date 19th of June 2025 Thursday. तिथेश्च श्रियमाप्नोति वारादायुष्यवर्धनं नक्षत्राधर्ते पापं योगाद्रोगनिवारणं करणात् कार्यसिद्धिश्च पञ्चाङ्गफलमुत्तमं. सर्वेषां शुभमस्तु.
राजयोग श्लोक संग्रहः ध्यान श्लोकः. ऑल टुगेदर. यं ब्रह्मा वरुणेन्द्र रुद्र मरुतः स्तुन्वन्ति दिव्यैः स्तवैः वेदैः साङ्गपदक्रमोपनिषदैः गायन्ति यं सामगाः ध्यानावस्थिततद्गतेन मनसा पश्यन्ति यं योगिनः यस्यान्तन्न विदुःसुरासुरगणाः देवाय तस्मै नमः। अथ श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु राजयोगश्लोकसङ्ग्रहः। श्रीभगवानुवाच उद्धरेदात्मनात्मानं नात्मानमवसादयेत् आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धुः आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः बन्धुरात्मात्मनस्तस्य येनात्मैवात्मना जितः अनात्मनस्तु शत्रुत्वे वर्तेतात्मैव शत्रुवत शुचौ देशे प्रतिष्ठाप्य स्थिरमासनमात्मनः नात्युच्छ्रितं नातिनीचं चैलाजिनकुशोत्तरम् अपाने जुह्वति प्राणं प्राणे पानं तथा परे प्राणापानगतिरुद्ध्वा प्राणायामपरायणाः युक्ताहारविहारस्य युक्तचेष्टस्य कर्मसु युक्तस्वप्नावबोधस्य योगो भवति दुःखः तत्रैकाग्रं मनः कृत्वा यतचित्तेन्द्रियक्रियः उपविश्यासने युञ्ज्यात् योगमात्मविशुद्धये समं कायशिरो ग्रीवं धारयन्नचलं स्थिरः सम्प्रेक्ष्य नासिकाग्रं स्वं दिशश्चानवलोकयन् शनैः शनैरुपरमे बुद्ध्या धृतिगृहीतया आत्मसंस्थं मनः कृत्वा न किञ्चिदपि चिन्तयेत् प्रशान्तात्मा विगतभीः ब्रह्मचारिव्रते स्थितः मनः संयम्य मच्चित्तः युक्त आसीत मत्परः। अर्जुन उवाच चञ्चलं हि मनः कृष्ण प्रमाथि बलवदृढं तस्याहं निग्रहं मन्ये वायोरिव सुदुष्करम्। श्रीभगवानुवाच असंशयं महाबाहो मनो दुर्निग्रहं चलम् अभ्यासेन तु कौन्तेय वैराग्येन च गृह्यते आत्मौपम्येन सर्वत्र समं पश्यति अर्जुन सुखं वा यदि वा दुःखं स योगी परमो मतः सुखमात्यन्तिकं यत्तद् बुद्धिग्राह्यमतीन्द्रियं वेत्ति यत्र न चैवायं स्थितश्चलति तत्त्वतः युञ्जन्नेवं सदात्मानं योगी विगतकल्मषः सुखेन ब्रह्म संस्पर्शम् अत्यन्तं सुखमश्नुते प्रयाणकाले मनसाचलेन भक्त्या युक्तो योगबलेन चैव भ्रुवोर्मध्ये प्राणमावेश्य सम्यक् सतं तमुपैति दिव्यं प्रशान्तमनसं ह्येनं योगिनं सुखमुत्तमम् उपैति शान्तरजसं ब्रह्मभूतमकल्मषं प्रयत्नाद्यतमानस्तु योगी संशुद्धकिल्बिषः अनेकजन्मसंसिद्धः ततो याति परां गतिं योऽन्तः सुखोऽन्तरारामः तथान्तर्ज्योतिरेव यः स योगी ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं ब्रह्मभूतोऽधिगच्छति। ॐ तत्सदिति श्रीमद्भगवद्गीतासु उपनिषत्सु ब्रह्मविद्यायां योगशास्त्रे श्रीकृष्णार्जुनसंवादे राजयोगश्लोकसंग्रहः। हरिः ओं तत्सत्। श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु।
Our mind and heart is filled with that emotion and that thought process which is to be sanctified by yoga and yaga. Raja Yoga, this very word is very much full of deep insights. Raja means a person, one who shines, ever shining man, personality, very much bright, very much creative, that type of administrative personality. He will be called Raja or Emperor, King. But why this word is there? To qualify yoga. Yes. When we are preparing for celebration of the global international Yoga Day on 21st June 2025 this year, we must ponder over, we have to think. इस राज शब्द का प्रयोग योग के पीछे कैसे लगता है, क्यों लगता है? Why yoga must be so much dominating force, just like an emperor, Rajarshi, Janaka, Sri Ramachandra, or many great emperors of Surya Vamsha, starting from Vaivasvata Manu. They are all called Raja, Rajas in the real sense. Now yoga is the Raja in the real sense. How it is? More than 100 countries also take part in this global celebration. That is one very, very important aspect. But more than that, in this whole collection of slokas, we come across that yoga is projected like yajna. Krishna says there are 5 types of yajnas. One among them it is yoga yajna. द्रव्ययज्ञाः तपोयज्ञाः योगयज्ञाः तथा परे स्वाध्यायज्ञानयज्ञाश्च यतयः संश्रितव्रताः. That is how Krishna projected it. Really speaking, now this is time to perform yoga yajna. How it is? Samam kaya shiro grivam dharayan achalam sthirah samprekshya nasikakram swam dishascha anavalokayan. All these shlokas here in this Raja Yoga Sangraha, Shuchau deshe pratisthapya sthiram asanam atmanah natyuchritam natinicham. That is how Ahara yoga, Vihara yoga, Vyavahara yoga, Riti yoga, Niti yoga, Vritta yoga, Sadvritta yoga, everything well projected and portrayed in this collection, Raja Yoga Shloka Sangraha. So now this is the high time. It is not only Bahiri Yajna where Ahuti is given to the fire. So the whole atmosphere is sanctified and made free from radiation, pollution and contamination. That is one type of yoga yajna. Another type is our body. Our pindanda, it is so corrupt by our own behavior, our own lifestyle, our own mindset. That is why popularly this definition is now known in the whole yoga sphere. People say like that, what is yoga, what is yoga? Immediately it is nothing but mindset and lifestyle. Exactly. Unless we don't change our lifestyle and mindset, no place for yoga there. Only we are talking too much. Too much. Mindset must be positively charged and lifestyle must be made eco-friendly. Then the first lesson we understand. The first lesson of yoga understood. It is not only known and delivered somewhere with all those verbs, parts of speeches, figure of speeches we talk too much about. No. It is practiced. Daily practice. Practice from dawn to dusk. And practice in our Pindanda Vyavahara. What is that? In Panchajnanendriya, while using it, while using our Panchakarmendriya and while activating our Panchaprana, Pranapana, Vyanudana, Samana and Panchapragoshtha, Shirsham, Mukham, Puppusam, lungs, Hridayam, Udaram. This is 5. And Shatchakrani, starting from Muladhara, Manipura, Swadhisthana, Vishuddhi Chakra, Ajna Chakra, Sahasrara. These 6 in number. So that our 7 will be pure. 7 means what? It is Tvaka, Mamsa, Rudhira, Sneha, Vedo, Majjast, our blood and our bone, our skin. All these are 7. If it is purified, then yoga is achieved. For that we have to prepare. That is called Antaryajna and Yoga Yajna. Om.
Namaste all. Today I am here to share the program details of 21st June. Good news for all of you. We are starting program not 6:45, it's 6:15 a.m. Yeah, because good news all of you. We are forced to start the program 6:15 because we received instruction from the Ministry of Finance, Government of India, so that we have to assemble and hear the speech of Prime Minister Narendra Modi from 6:30 to 7. It's a mandatory for all over India. That's why, so I request all of you to assemble 6:15, prepare your mind by emotion culture, by Bhakti Yoga, from bhajans, later 6:15, assemble. So 6:30 to 7, there is a speech from Honorable Prime Minister. Then 7 onwards, we will be attending the protocol. Okay, the program schedule continues. So please note here, the arrangement will be, sitting arrangement will be like this. Same arrangement like Shruti Mandir. Left side, the boys, the right side, the girls. The first 5 lines will be boys allotted. Another 10 lines will be girls. Okay. The hierarchy will be same as first yoga students, YIC, yoga, naturopathy and Ayurveda. Nursing students will be right side of the stage. Left side of the stage, we have students coming from different schools, around 250 students. They will be on the left side. Faculties will be in between the students to monitor the students. Okay, that is the arrangement. And please note, so you are attending so many calls. First call from Government of India to attend the speech. Second call for attend to protocol. So make sure that to attend these calls, you have to attend your nature calls before that. Otherwise it will be difficult. 2 hours almost you are sitting. Okay, so make sure that. So this is in front of Tarangini. If rain comes, so we have a plan B. So plan B will be speech and protocol practice will be in the 4 halls. We will begin from the Samskruti Bhavan. Samskruti Bhavan will be allotted for Shushruta Ayurveda Nursing College students if rain comes. And here BNYS and other students who are coming from outside will be here. And Mangal Mandir yoga students and any guest comes. So this is the arrangement. After the protocol celebration, we will be having the main function here, Shruti Mandir. So after the protocol, all of you assemble here. Okay. So directions will be given through the protocol, through your principals to all the students. If no rain, the planning will be there. Understand? All of you should be in the uniform only. That is not uniform, yoga dress, white t-shirt and track pant. Make sure that all of you should be there on time. Okay. So now time is calling for call of Maitri Milan. So we'll chant Shanti Mantra. I request Kiran ji to hoist the flag. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kasya dukha